everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. I know I haven't posted these in a little while. No, actually, I think I did May's, didn't I? I think so. Anyways, so if you want to see what came in this month's Boxycharm, then please keep watching. So first, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly makeup subscription. So you get things between makeup, skincare, whole bunch of stuff, and it is $21 a month, and you get 5 to 6 full-size items, and most of the time they're usually high-end products. Also, there's always at least one product in there that's high-end. Most of the time there's two also. So this is probably my favorite subscription box. I know a lot of people have been asking me about my Sephora Play subscription box. I actually canceled that subscription. That is a subscription from Sephora. For those who don't know, it is $10 a month. And you get 5 high-end samples, except the samples were really tiny. I mean, not that tiny, but there was just a bunch of times where I wasn't using the products, and that $10 can go towards a bill, go towards something I want. So I ended up canceling. So the only subscription I have at the moment is Boxycharm. I canceled everything else. So there are 2 high-end products. The first thing we got is by Dr. Brandt, and is Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Is this the orange one? So it is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I actually got this in another subscription box. I think it was Allure a while ago, so I had this. So this is going to be included in a giveaway. I'm already planning my second giveaway. Right now I have a huge international giveaway going on right now. I will link it down below if you are interested in entering. But I already have a whole bunch of more products that I'm going to be doing right after this one ends. So if someone didn't win, there will be another one very soon. And this retails for $42, so right off the bat that is double the box. The box is $20. Ooh, the next thing is by Tarte Cosmetics, and it is a Ready Scent Radiant. Is it a setting spray? Yes, it's a setting spray. It's by Tarte, and this retails for $25. So right off the bat, this is more money than the actual box. I am so excited to give this bad boy a try. Next is by Cella. Some Wow to Your Brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows. With its creamy consistency and built-in brush, the velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, gives you perfect brows that will last all day and night. This is the brush, and that's the cream. So I think it's like a dipped brow. Pretty cool. It's exciting. I was just saying, I just filmed this. That is an affordable summer makeup tutorial, and I didn't have anything affordable for brows, and this retails for, never mind, this is $26. Wow, so right off the bat, the third thing in the box is more than the actual box. The next thing is by Wander Beauty, and it is a volume and curl mascara. Ooh, and the sponge is pretty curled. I'm definitely gonna try this one out. I love how, like, I love the tube. It's so different. Most mascaras are always the same. I love this. And this retails for $24. And the last thing is by Note, and it is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. It says Organ Oil on it, but I don't think it's oil. I think there's oil in the blush. Oh wow, this is like a fancy compact. So it's a blush. It's like a peachy blush. That's cute. And this retails for $11.99. Really? The packaging is so like chic. I feel like it'd be more money. That is everything. That is 1, 2, 3, 5 items this month. I think last month was 6 items. So 5 items this month. And basically everything was more than the actual box. I'm going to add everything together and let you know what the full retail is. This retails for $111, over $100. That is insane. That is insane, and I spent $21 on this entire box. I think that's incredible. I will link it down below if you're interested in signing up. It's just boxycharm.com, but I will also list it down below if you're interested. And yeah, that is everything that we got in this month's Boxycharm. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you go. I will also link the video down below for the huge international giveaway that is going on right now. So why don't you go head over there and enter. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video.